Okay, example 2-4 is about calculating the fruit numbers in the upstream and downstream of the bed level raise in the previous example. So example 2-3. So we start with fruit number equation for general cross section. So fruit square is equal to q square t divided by g a to the power of 3. So this is the formula that you can use for any cross section. So we need to calculate the top width. So I'm going to write the information that we had in example 2-3. Y1 was 2.1 meter, B01, 4 meter, M equal to 2, and Q is 12 cubic meter per second. Okay, so from that I can calculate T. Y2, we calculate Y2 in previous example, 1.795 meter. And B02 was 5.2 meter. So the top width, I call it T1. So that's a top width and is equal to B01 plus 2my. So 4 plus 2 times 2 times 2.1, and that gives 12.4 meter. Area 1, we already calculate area 1 in previous example. So A1 is B01 plus My1 times Y1. 4 plus 2 times 2.1 times 2.1, and that gives 17.22 meters square. Now I have everything. I can calculate fruit number at section 1, which is a square root of q square T1 divided by G A1 to the power of 3. So 12 to the power of 2 times 12.4 divided by 9.81 times 17.22 to the power of 3. And then we take the square root. So this gives us fruit number equal to 0.188. And it's obvious that the kinetic energy has a very small role in the total energy, as we discussed in previous example. And as a result, the fruit number value is very small. So similarly, you can calculate T2 and A2. I'm just writing here the values. So T2 is 12.38 meters. So you'll see that the top width decreases by 2 centimeters because the water level dropped after the raise. And then we have A2, which is 15.77 meters square. So if you use that, then you will get fruit number after the raise, which is equal to 0.215. So still we have subcritical regime with a very low fruit number after the raise.